can understand this one. Let's first see the output. It says false to A. How many A's? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 A's. Got it, Lama? Why this one gives this output? The reason is there's a variable A is 2. There's a variable called B. What is the answer of B, Lama? B variable like answer. This one says B equal A greater than or equal 4. Right? If you don't know how to find the answer of this one, just have a look. What is this operator? It's an assignment operator. Assignment operator means whatever the value in right hand side is going to assign to the B variable. Okay, whatever the answer comes here, it's put inside the B variable. Now, what is the answer here? What is this operator? Greater than or equal? It's a comparison operator. It's doing a comparison. You need to check what the answer is. A greater than or equal 4. What is A? 2. Is 2 greater than or equal 4? What is the answer? False. The answer here is false. A is not greater than or equal 4. Got it, Laman? And here answer is false. Okay, because of this assignment operator, false is going to assign to variable B. The answer is false. What is the type of this variable? Is bool. Remember data types. What is the type of this variable? Int. A variable can take any value. Got it? Now, just have a look. Now, B variable got false variable. It's a Boolean value. When it prints B in this line, it prints false. Go to the next line. If not B, what is not B? What is not B? Not means a logical operator, right? It's a logical operator. We did logical operators, right? Not B. B means false. Instead of B, you can write false. Not false means true. That means not B means true. This one gives the answer true. When the answer true inside the if statement, whatever the inside if statement is going to execute, these lines are going to execute. What's the first line? First line says print A. What is A? Number 2. Yes, it prints number 2. Okay. Okay. Always compare with the output. Then the while loop starts. Does while loop execute? Yes, because it's inside the if statement. The answer of if statement is true. Therefore, all the lines inside them is going to execute. Why while loop is inside? Because of this indentation. See the indentation gap. Okay. In Python, indentations are very important. That's how the program identify this while loop is belongs to if statement. It's inside if. Right. The program reads it. While check the condition. A less than 10. Is A less than 10? A is 2. Is 2 less than 10? Yes. True. Then it prints A. A means a string, not a variable. It's inside double quotation mark. Therefore, it prints 1A. 1A prints. Then A variable. This simple A means a variable, right? Which is here. Right now it's 2. It increased by 1. Then it will be 3. Is the program finished after this line? No. It's going up again to the while loop. Okay, because we are still doing the while loop, repeating. Now a is 3, 3 is still the less than 10, still less than 10. It prints a again. Okay, increase a 4, prints a again, increase 1 and prints. Likewise, it increase the a variable and print just letter a. How many times? 8 times. Why it 8 times prints? Because a start from 2 and it prints till 10. A is 10. When a is equal to 10, it's going to stop. Got it? The stop point here. තේරෙනවද ළමයි මේක stop වෙන්න කොතනින්ද කියලා? a variable එක 10 වුණාම stop වෙනවා. ඇයි? 10 is not less than 10. Then answer will be false. Got it? So මේකක්වත් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. false වුණාම. ඒතොර එළියට යනවා. So when a equal to 10, it will print 8 times from 2 to 9. Okay. තේරුණාද? Is there any issues with this program? In this program here, if you can understand this program, right, you can find the answers, the program in whiteboard as well. Here, find the answers.